I will be showing y'all through my website. So my website is called Miss Hunter's Classroom. This is my paragraph that shows what my classroom is about and how they can contact me. This is my bio, and it shows a little bit about me and a picture. This is my library, which shows children's books that I recommend for grades kindergarten through 5th grade. These are my resources, some resources that teachers and students can use for learning. I have my math resources, my English resources, my social studies resources, some fun games for learning, and of course my Web 2.0 tools. Here are some technology projects such as the digital scavenger hunt, or the digital storyboard that I had to do on any topic. Here's my PLN PLE page and the picture of what a PLN is. And here are all the PLN assignments that we had to do. Here is my digital story, which I chose to do it on Mardi Gras since I am from New Orleans. My website evaluation, my mobile app, which I reviewed, which I did mine on Quizlet. Here's my Apple Teacher certification, which I got for Mac and for iPad, so I can have it for both of those. And then lastly, this is where I'm going to put this screencast. Thanks so much for looking through my website with me.